Hey Trinity, are you there? Are you even watching? Is this thing even on? What's up YouTube? What's up YouTube? My name is Smitty and welcome to my truck and travel channel. I am currently in Utah, St. George, Utah to be exact. My niece stated that she always wanted to live in Utah, so I figured since I'm passing through it, why don't I show her a few things? Without further ado, let's get to it. Love you, Trin.
Spider-Man, Spider-Man, do whatever a spider can. Spider-Man, Spider-Man.
All right, so I just finished climbing all these rock formations right behind me, and the one I'm currently sitting on at Red Hills Desert Garden. It's a tongue twister. Red Hills Desert Garden. Red Hills Desert Garden. I had an absolute blast. I actually slid down a rock and put a hole in my shoe. So yeah, it's about time for me to get some new shoes. But I'm gonna sit here a little longer, show you the view, and then I'm gonna head to the next destination. All right, so I feel like I have to address this. I got a few messages stating what's wrong with my hair more than once. Two things. One, I'm trying to grow my hair out, and two, I have so many calics. There's a calic right here, a calic right here, a calic right here. So my hair is gonna do whatever it's gonna do. Actually, you know what? Yeah, you got that right. When the temperature dips below 20 degrees Fahrenheit, yeah, I am getting hotel because I don't have a heater and I have a Walmart blanket, and yeah, that's just not happening. I'm not built like that. I'm not built for the cold. I like the cold in moderation. What's up, guys? So I just hiked up Zion National Park in Utah, and oh my goodness, it's a pretty easy hike. I'm out of breath because of the elevation. I'm way up here, but check out this view. You see what I mean? That is flipping amazing. So yeah, Utah is definitely a beautiful state. Everywhere I go, it's a different scenery, different mountain ranges, different snow on the ground. It's absolutely amazing. But this view, wow.